Picture this, a Wednesday or Thursday night, you're scrambling around trying to find out what to cook for dinner. Well, don't worry, I've got the best, quickest, delicious shrimp taco recipe for you. This is my creamy Cajun shrimp tacos. You're gonna love it. Let's get to cooking. Well, first we gotta talk about our shrimp here. I'm just using a good medium-sized shrimp. You can use large shrimp. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil down to my griddle here. Now with shrimp, y'all know how it works. They cook so fast. So really the key is to not overcook them. Oh, we got one on the loose. All right, so we're gonna spread these out. Now all I'm adding to these right now while they cook in this oil here is a little bit of the Bayou Blend. This stuff is so good from Blackstone. I absolutely love it. Good generous amount here. See, it's already starting to change the color on the shrimp. That's how quick it is to cook here. I'm gonna give it a quick toss. How many times can I say quick? Because literally it's that quick. All right, so really just another 2 minutes or so and these shrimp will be done. So while those are finishing up cooking, we gotta talk about the tortillas. Some like white tortillas, flour tortillas, some like white corn, some like yellow corn. For me, with these specific tacos, I like the white corn. Feel free to use whatever you'd like. I am using my Blackstone really nifty taco holder, and it holds 6. So I wanna make sure I have 6 here. I've already pre-oiled this side on low, so I'm gonna put down my tortillas. Another thing about the corn tortillas is they do cook quick, so just keep an eye on it. Sometimes you can overcook your tortillas and they get a little chewy. Low is definitely the way to go on those. If at some point you just want to turn it off, you can absolutely just turn off your griddle top. Again, the shrimp are almost done. I want to quickly talk about the sauce I'm about to put on here. I am using a spicy mayonnaise. Any kind of pre-jarred spicy mayonnaise that you have at home, this is what's going to be the topper, the key to these creamy Cajun tacos. So another quick little flip here on these shrimp. All right, these are looking beautiful. It is about time for our spicy mayonnaise. Now, just a little side note about that spicy mayonnaise. You can make your own, just add a little sriracha, mayonnaise, some seasonings, whatever your little heart desires. But for me as a busy mom, this is the way to go. So I'm going to just make sure they're all in a little group here. This is the last step because you don't want your sauce to burn. By the way, don't forget about flipping your little tortillas here, because they only need about another minute or so. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Make sure you got about I would say a good 2.5 teaspoons or so. And then we're just gonna toss. Really all you're doing is you're warming up the sauce. You're warming up the sauce into the shrimp. All right, so we're gonna let these just warm up. I'm actually gonna turn off my heat here. And then the tortillas are ready to be pulled off, and I'm going to bring them over to, like I said, my little nifty taco stand here. First, I'll put them on here, let them cool for a minute. And I love the size of these that I'm using. I'm just really using not quite a street size taco, but just a little bit larger than that. And I'm going to just add them here. All right, time to load these guys up. I'm gonna move this over here. Get prepared. All right, gonna grab a little bit at a time. Make sure you don't want to overfill because you want to make sure you have enough for all of your toppings here. So there's some shrimp. I got 4 here, so portioning control on my tacos. I might steal one from another one. That's okay, nobody will notice. There we go. Looks fabulous. Okay, now comes the fun part of dressing up your tacos. I like to use a bagged shredded cabbage that's got the purple cabbage in it. Just adds for a really pretty color and most importantly, a good crunch to these tacos. Try not to fill them up too much because the taco itself isn't very big. We're gonna add a little more fresh ingredients to these beautiful tacos. I like to do a little bit of diced tomatoes on top. And then of course you gotta have that cilantro kick and then a squeeze of fresh lime juice that really does kick it up a notch. Y'all, these are looking absolutely fabulous. Guys, I don't even know which one I want to take because they all look delicious. It's a very challenging thing for me right now, but I'm going to pick the one here in the middle. I've decided it's happening. Oh, it is perfect. Look at that size. I love it. Okay, here we go. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. Baby is loving this one. I can eat these every day. So I first immediately taste that pop of spice from the spicy mayonnaise. Then I've got the freshness of the cilantro and the tomatoes and the crunch of the cabbage. Y'all, this is it. This is it. I'm gonna say it was 7 minutes, about 6 to 7 minutes that this took from start to finish. That is it. But remember, you gotta keep it quick, you gotta keep it simple, and most importantly, you have to keep it delicious. My name's Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode. Cheers. Mm-mm-mm.